Are you still managing freelance job requests manually through mails and messages? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate freelance job requests via WhatsApp, and that will done in just 3 steps, where at first we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your user send a message to your WhatsApp business account regarding the job request, then automatically your bot will be replying to them. In this video, we will also learn how you can store your user data, that means their name, email address, resume into your Google Sheet. That will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect, where I take my trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow and action application as Google Sheet. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to create in this video. This will not only reply to your users within a second, also store their data into your Google Sheets without you doing any manual efforts. Yes, it is truth. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users instantly. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of company. Here I am sending my first message as freelance jobs. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that hello, welcome to freelance platform. How can I assist you today? While providing me 2 quick buttons, that is view jobs and submit proposal. So I am going to click on this submit proposal button. Then you can see it will provide me the latest freelance jobs that are available in this IT company, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of jobs, that is web developer, including their salary, content writer and graphic designer. Here I want to apply for a web developer, so I am selecting it. Then you can see it will ask me to share the resume, so I am sharing one test resume. Here I sent. Then you can see it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number. Then you can see it will ask me for the email address that I am going to provide as pat@pabblytudes.com. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that your proposal for web developer has been submitted. You will be notified once selected. You can see it will automatically mention the job type that I have selected from the list as a web developer. In this video, we will also learn how you can store your user data, that means their name, email address, contact number and the resume into your Google Sheet. Like this, you can see the data that I have shared while communicating with the bot will automatically add it into my Google Sheet as a new row. That is the name I have given as test user, one test contact number, email address and my resume link. And this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So if you want to do this type of automation, that instead of you, a WhatsApp chatbot will handle all of your job requirements that are coming into your company, also store their individual data into your Google Sheet, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is the Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issues while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box, you can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, stream queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate freelance job request via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keyword box as freelance jobs. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding two more keywords, job application and freelancer. Here I added only three, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message. For that I am taking one text button, drag this box here, where I am going to write my welcome message in this enter message box. Here I write, that is hello, welcome to freelance platform, how can I assist you today? So for answering this, I am providing two quick buttons for my users. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as view jobs and the another button I am going to write as submit proposal. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now let's assume my users wants to view the jobs, then they will click on this view jobs button, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that you have to write the body in this enter body box, that I am going to write as here are some of the latest freelance job listings available. Next, if you want to write the footer, then you can write in this enter footer box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. Now I want to write the list of jobs. For that I am clicking on this edge section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as job type. After that I want to write the types of jobs. For that I am clicking on this add items button. It will provide provide me one box inside it where I'm going to write the first job type in this enter title box as web developer. After that, you have to write the description in this enter description box. In this, I'm going to write the salary of this specific job role. Here I write. After that, I am adding 2 more job types. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added, that is content writer and the graphic designer, including their salary. After that, I'm connecting this circle which are presented front of view jobs to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the job type that they are applying for, after that my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I'm going to setting up one custom field tag. For that, I'm clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. I drag this box here where I'm going to select the contact custom field as job type. After that, in this enter value box, I'm going to write this, that is web developer, because I set it this contact custom field not specifically for this job type. After that, now I'm going to explain you from where you can create this contact custom field and why we use this contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever going anywhere, save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening it a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, countries, tags, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of your field and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of job type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I setting this knot. After that, I am going to set 2 more contact custom field knots for both of these job types also. For that, I am clicking on the set custom field option 2 times. Drag this boxes here where I am going to select the contact custom field as job type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is content writer. Then I am going to do the same for the last one also. Here I done. After that, I am connecting this web developer circle to this knot, this content writer circle to this specific knot, and lastly this to this. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now with the help of this contact custom field knots, whenever my user will select the job type, then my bot will automatically capture their response and provide them the customized message at the last, completely based on their selected data. Now whenever my user will select the job type, then my bot will ask them to share the resume. For that, I am taking this ask media button, drag this box here where I am going to write the message in this enter message box as please share your resume. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as resume. Then I am selecting the media type as document. After that, the next one is the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your users will provide the answer of your question that you have written here. It is also used for the correct formatting, as whenever your user will not provide you the response in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Now I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will share me the resume, then I want to ask their full name. For that, I am taking this ask a question button, drag this box here where I am going to write the question in this enter message box as please provide your full name to proceed with the application. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 0. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now when my user will provide me their full name, then I want their contact number and the email address. For that, I am going to do the same process, that is the taking ask question button 2 times, drag this boxes here and writing the question in this boxes. Here I write, that is great. Now please share your phone number. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I select is number. It will provide you 2 fields where you have to provide the minimum and the maximum value in this specific fields. Here I am going to enter the default setup for the number, that is the 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. you can also use this default minimum and maximum number for the number format. After that, here I write that lastly, please provide your email address. I am selecting the contact custom field as email address. After that, the format I select as email. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message and this circle to this. Now, whenever my user will provide me all their details, then I want to store their data into my Google Sheet. For that, I am taking one API request button, drag this node here, clicking on it. Here you can see it will ask you to select the request that I am going to select as post. After that, you have to enter or paste the webhook URL in this field. Now for getting this webhook URL, I am going to take you my Pabbly Connect account. So this is the workflow that I have already created before into my Pabbly Connect account. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Here you can see I have taken the trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow and action application as Google Sheet. When I click on it, here you can see I have selected the app event as new message received. Here you can see it will provide me one webhook URL that I am going to copy from here. Also the steps of how you can connect your Pabbly Connect to the Pabbly Chatflow is present here. Now for getting a new response, at first I am going to click on this recapture webhook response. See, it is waiting for a webhook response. Now we will get back to our flow, where in this enter or paste URL field, I am going to pasting the URL that I have copied from there. After that, you can see it is divided in three parts, that is parameters, headers and body. Here I am going with parameters. For that, at first you have to select the contact custom field that I am going to select as full name, as I ask my user to share their full name. After that, the contact number, then the email, and lastly resume. After that, in this key boxes, I am going to write the same but without dollar symbol. Here I add it. After that, I am going to click on this test button. Here you can see our API request sent successfully. Now we will check our workflow. See, a new response is added which includes the details that we have shared, that is the resume, full name, email and the contact number. Here the setup of our trigger application is done. After that, I want to store my user data into my Google Sheet. That's why I selected the action application as Google Sheet. When I click on it, here you can see I have selected the app event as add new row. After that, here I have done the connection between my Pabbly Connect to the Google Sheet by clicking on this connection option. After that, here I have selected the sheet that I have already created before by the name of Freelance job request data. Here I am going to show you this sheet. See, this is the sheet where I have mentioned the columns by the name of full name, contact number, email address and resume. It is visible that all the fields will be added here, that is the full name, contact number, email and the resume. Here I have done the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is the Pabbly Chatflow. You can do the mapping by simply clicking on it and selecting the response that you have received. Here I have already done. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation, as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for storing their data dynamically, mapping is used. Now when you scroll down here, you can see these are not required field. After that, you have to simply click on the save and send test request button. See, a new row is added into your Google Sheet which includes test data. That means our automation is working perfectly. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here the setup of this automation is done. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to our flow. Here the setup is done. After that, I'm going to click on the save button. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will send me all of their data, then with the help of this API request node, automatically all their data will be added into my Google Sheet. Now in the next, I want to send one last message to my users. For that, you have to click on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I'm going to write my last respond message. That is your proposal for with dollar symbol job type. You can see I have used the dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users by mentioning their selected job type that they were selected from this list. With the help of this contact custom field node, my bot will automatically capture my users' response, that what they were selected from the list, and write their selected job type in this place. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. In simple words, it makes data dynamic. Now the next one is the submit proposal. When my user will click on the submit proposal, then also my bot will provide them the job list that are available into my company. For that, I am also connecting this circle to this message. Here I have done this as a test example. You can add many more steps into your flow and make your WhatsApp chatbot completely based on your choice. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate freelance job requests via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option, where you have to click on this three dots and click on this share flow option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately, and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Ask about their information, that is their name, email, contact number and the resume, and also store their data into your Google Sheet. This will save your time and done all of your tasks, and that will only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.